Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Thrifty Thursday, and on this video, I have the second part of my Shiekh shoe haul. Oh, guys, I loved that first set of shoes. So without further ado, let's see what else I got. Okay, guys, so I'm going to try to do this a little bit smoother than I did that first shoe haul because I know that one was a little bit wonky, but I have the same setup as I did for that first one. I'm going to try to think of a better setup to do these shoe hauls for you guys. I haven't done shoe hauls in a while, and this is just kind of awkward. So I'm going to have to figure it out, but nonetheless, let's dig into what I got. That's why you guys are here. Okay, so I'm going to set my little iPad aside here. We're going to start with this pair here. I don't know what what order I have them in, but it is the Shiekh brand shoe. A lot of times the boxes come damaged and stuff, but honestly, guys, you get these shoes for such a great deal. I'm not even worried about it. Ooh, fabulous. Oh my God. Tell me that is not a fabulous shoe. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at that. Ah! I love the clearness here. Oh my gosh, this shoe is gorgeous. I love, love, love it. The sole is kind of smooth though. I gotta say, I'm probably not gonna get a lot of grip there, which is a shame because this is the kind of shoe you could run in, you know? You take a walk around the block, you put these shoes on. Well, I do. I guess most normal people don't do that. All right, let's take a look at these guys. Hopefully you heard that. I said, let's take a look at these guys. I'm not used to having to look at stuff as I'm talking to you. Okay, so I paid $9.99 for these shoes. What? Yes, $9.99. Super stoked. They are a size 6, and they are claiming they have a size 6-inch heel. Let's see. Sure looks like it. So I think that's probably accurate. Or higher. It's higher. Dang, baby! These are 6.5-inch heels. What? Yeah, 6.5-inch heels. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous! Ah! Gorgeous! I am so excited, guys. Oh my gosh. That just like made my day. Anything 6 inches is great. 6 inches or higher, even better. Just saying. Okay. So that's that first pair of shoes. I said it was going to be better. I don't know. Kind of feeling like it's worse. Oh, let me show you the box. This is the brand. This is the way the box came. Jennifer Chu. Do you guys know Jennifer Chu? I don't know who that is. I don't know shoe designers or anything like that. Oh, dang, but she makes a fabulous shoe. This is hands down my favorite pair that I got. I'm so incredibly excited about this pair of shoes. And here they are. Ah! What? Look, guys, that looks like a screw. Do you guys see the, you know, the ridges for a screw? This looks like you're wearing a screw as your heel. What? Guys, I am so excited about this. You have no idea how stoked I am about this shoe. Look at this. This is, oh, I've got my fingerprints on it. But this is gorgeous. You got the mirror look here. It laces up the front. What? And then it has an open toe. Does anybody know why they lace the shoes wrong? You see how the laces go towards the inside? I'm not sure if I can show that to you or not, but like, see how this part here is on the inside? I want it on the outside. So I have to totally relace this. I'm not sure why they do it that way, but that's not how I wear my shoes. Pretty sure most people don't. So the bottom, okay. So. I mean, it's got a good rubber grip, but I don't know if it's as good as I would like to have. I don't remember what the heel height is on these, but I'm sure I got it just because this is stellar. Stellar! I'm so excited about this. Okay, let's take a look, guys. Hopefully you can hear me when I talk, when I turn away. I don't know if you can or not. Okay. Ooh. Little out of my budget. I paid $22.99 for these shoes, but they are stunning. Stunning. So the original price of a pair of shoes like this is $76. I got them for $22.99. Super stoked about that. Okay, so let's see here. Ooh, it claims that the heel is a 6-inch heel. Well, we're going to have to see. I really can't tell. It might be. Hopefully it is. But that is, oh yeah, you know what? I bet it is. Because I'm looking at this part of it. But you have to measure from here to the top right here. That's how you get your heel height. And you know what? This one looks like it might be. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And see. No, it is not. It's 5.5 inches. kind of disappointing. But I can tell you right now, I'm still super stoked about this shoe. This is still one of my favorite, probably the favorite pair that I got out of all the pairs that I got, because this is so unique and stunning. I love, love, love this shoe. So excited about it. Okay, we're going to stop talking about it, because I could go on and on about that one. And we're going to move on to the next pair. Okay, so it came in this Cape Robin box right here. It's like a pink snakeskin. Oh, yes, ma'am. I kind of forgot what I got. I mean, if you buy as many pairs of shoes as I did at one time, you kind of forget. Nonetheless. What? Ah! These are friggin' awesome, guys. Look at this. You have a money symbol. What? For your heel. So they had these in a bright yellow color too, but I wasn't trying to pay the bright yellow price. It was super expensive. I can't remember what it was. Oh, guys, bummer. We have the velvet bottom. Worst thing you can do on a pair of shoes. Ah! And 0 tread on the heel. I mean 0. Dude, I'm going to be falling in these suckers if I don't do something with this. But yeah, this is definitely not made to walk in, which really sucks because they are so super cool. So I'm going to have to make them so that they're more comfortable. We'll see how that goes. Ooh. There's no give here in the front either. I don't know how comfortable that's going to be, but we're going to see. They are so super pretty though, aren't they? I love this heel. Okay, let's take a look here, guys. Okay, so I paid $9.99 for these shoes. $9.99. What? The original price is $64.99, which is crazy considering they didn't make them right. Like the bottom is not good at all. Oh, it does say it runs a half size small. I didn't read that. So I should have got a 6.5 probably. Hopefully these fit okay. It does not give me a heel height on it, but I can tell you right now it's nowhere near a 6-inch heel. I just got them because they look so cool. So let's go ahead and measure the heel and see what I'm going to be working with here. It's definitely nowhere near a 6-inch heel. I can tell you that right now. Oh my God. Oh, I'm going to be sick. This is not good. Like, I think I'm going to like physically throw up. I'll still wear them, probably not often, but it's only a 4.25 inch heel. That's disappointing. But they did not put a heel height. I just got it because it looks so cool, and it was $9.99. So that was a little bit disappointing, but hey, it is what it is. That's what happens when you shop online. Okay, did I open these? Yes, I opened these. Oh, I didn't give you the full price of these. You guys want to know the full price of these? I'll tell you. Okay. Sure. Like you guys can talk back to me. Ooh, I dropped a water. Awesome. Okay, so let's take a look at the full cost of that pair that I just showed you. $84.99. I got them for $10, remember? Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the next pair. Comes in this beautiful Dazzle box. Okay, let's check it out. It's probably boots because it's awful long. Oh yeah, definitely boots. What am I gonna do with that? Oh, so cute. Stop it. Oh, so super cute. Oh my gosh. You guys ready? Look at these. Ah! Oh my God. These are so incredibly fun. So we have a handkerchief print boot that's pink. That's pink. Dude, this is super cool. Look at this wide. Oh dear Lord. Oh, they don't make their shoes right. So we have a velvet bottom with a very slippery. This is not cool. I'm definitely going to have to put something on both of these things so I don't fall on my butt. Just saying. Why do they make them like that? And it's a boot to be wore in the wintertime. I'm just saying. I know I paid $22.99 for these puppies, but I thought they were so cute I couldn't pass them up. Let's take a quick look, though. Oh, $24.99. I was wrong. Paid $24.99 for them. Okay, original price was $54.99. Says it's a 5 3/4 inch heel. So let's go ahead and verify that really quick. 5 3/4 inches, huh? Yeah, they're wrong. It is a 6-inch heel. Bam! So at least I got a 6-inch heel out of the deal. Super excited. Not excited about the bottom, but you know, nothing I can do about that. I wish I could just like write to the shoemakers and tell them, don't do that. Even if you're making a cheap shoe, at least give me something that I can walk in. I'm just saying. All right, where am I going to put this? Because I have 2 more pairs to show you guys. And one of them, so this is just as big of a disaster as the other shoe haul. I'm just saying. because I don't have a good setup right now. Okay, so this, oh, I just shook the camera. Wow. Did I say this video is going to go smoother? I meant worse. That's what I meant. Okay, awesome. So let's go ahead. The same brand, and I'm sure that these are black. Yep, I got a black pair. So cute. When I like something, I like something. So again, these are $24.99. They advertise them at a 5 3/4 inch heel, which is incorrect. It is actually 6 inches. Pretty awesome. All right, and we know the bottoms suck, so great. There you go. There's that one. Oh, I'm so pissed about the bottoms, guys. Like, I really am. Why can't you make your shoes right? You know what I mean? Okay, so this last pair is Anne Michelle. Boom! And obviously, we have another boot, or gladiator style, or something like that. Ooh, baby. Gladiator. Gorgeous. Okay, so these are really pretty. Look at these guys. Yes! Hello! Looks like maybe a 6-incher. I hope it's a 6-inch heel. It's a gladiator style heel. Open toe. It's velvet. The bottom's okay. Not great. That's never good. But yeah, so these are really pretty though, guys. All right, let's have a look here at what the costs and all that fun stuff was. Dang, buddy, $9.99. Say what? And the original price was $59.99. These are really pretty. Wow, I'm glad I snatched these up. Okay, they're advertising them at a 6-inch heel, which looks to be about correct. So, I would say I'm just gonna have to hopefully not shake the camera. Throw that on the floor. Did I say this was gonna go better? Yeah, I just shook the camera. Awesome. Okay, so, guys, yeah, they're wrong, but in my favor. It's on a 6.5-inch heel. Dang, buddy. All right, these are gorgeous, guys. Super excited to try these on for you guys. Okay, so next I will try on the shoes, let you know how I feel about the comfort of them and all of that fun stuff. And, yeah, we'll close this video out. Let's do that now. Okay, guys, let's start with these black pleather wedges with the clear center. These are so super cute, guys, and they are really comfortable, but the front part was kind of pinching my toes a little bit, so I kind of need to work that in. But other than that, these are super, super comfortable, guys. Like, honestly, I know it sounds crazy, but I could probably run a marathon in these things. They are that comfortable. Okay, so we're going to move on to these awesome screw bottom ones. Oh my gosh, I just love these. And guys, guess what? Yes, they are so incredibly comfortable. This is another pair that I could wear literally all day long. I love, love, love these shoes. This was such an awesome buy. Even though they were $22.99, I still absolutely love them. Okay, guys, now we're moving on to those $ leopard print heels. Guys, these were incredibly uncomfortable. They were way, way, way too tight. So I think I needed to size up for one thing, but that heel is very awkward to walk on. It's a great idea, but it's just a very poor execution of that idea. I will definitely wear these shoes, but not any place I have to wear them for a really long time. Okay, we're moving on to these adorable pink handkerchief boots. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so incredibly cute, comfortable. Everything about them is super great. I really like these a lot. I can't wait till it gets colder again so that I could wear them, but I absolutely love these. A little bit out of my price range, but still, I'm in love with them, so they were a good buy. And this is just the black pair, same type of boots, just in black. The pink definitely looked better against my skin tone, but I do have a lot of black things, so that's why I went ahead and got the black as well. So I'll definitely get just as much use out of these as I will the pink ones, if not more. So overall, good buy. Just a little out of my price range, but I still really like the boots. And finally, we're moving on to these adorable gladiator style open toe velvet heels. Oh my gosh, guys, these are so cute. The only problem is they were a little bit tight around my calves. I have really thick calves because I wear heels all the time. You would think people would take that into consideration when they're designing these shoes. Other than that, super cute, comfortable, just a little tight around my calf area. Okay, guys, so hopefully the Tryon went well. I'm filming this prior to the Tryon, but I just want to say, guys, I hope that you check out this website. I mean, they have amazing deals on crazy heels, on normal heels, normal flats, tennis shoes, whatever. They have it all. Plus, they have clothes and other things, too. I haven't checked any of that out yet because I'm so addicted to buying their shoes because I've never seen so many amazing, crazy-looking shoes for such great deals. Now, granted, I paid a little more than I normally do for shoes for some of them, but if I really like a style or a design and I just can't get it out of my head, then I know that I have to buy it, so that's what I do. It's my money. I earned it. Just saying. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next shoe haul next week. Bye! Okay, guys, so, wow. No matter how much water I drink, I still get, like, stuff in my mouth, throat, whatever. Okay, guys, so I'm going to try to do this a little bit smoother. Smoother's a word. Yeah. Try it again. But I'm doing my best here. I'll try to get a better setup for these shoe hauls. I haven't done these and nailed it. I feel like it's still shaking. Okay. They still have normal kind of shoes that people wear, tennis shoes, flats, whatever, at amazing prices. Shop those blowout deals, guys. Blowout deals. I'm done. I'm done!